Right, guys, welcome back to yet another video. So in this video we are continuing with our math literacy paper 1, and we already did question 1.1 from 1.1.1 up to 1.1.6. so what we'll be doing today is we are continuing to question 1.2, which reads, below is the monthly number of trips made by two local taxis between Tabanchu and Botshabelo from January to December. Taxi 1, and then there is all the number of trips for the year, and then taxi 2, and then all the number of trips for the year. And then it says, use the information above to answer the questions that follow. Question 2.1 says, state whether the data above is regarded as numerical or categorical. Then question 1.2.2 says, identify the outlier of the monthly trips. Question 1.2.3 says, arrange in ascending order the number of monthly trips for taxi 1. Question 1.2.4 says, determine the month in which the most trips were taken by taxi 2. And then 1.2.5 says the IQR for taxi 1 is 13.5. Write down the IQR in full. So let's start with question 1.2.1. State whether the data above is regarded as numerical or categorical. Okay, as you can see up there, we have the number of trips. So obviously it is numerical data. Then let's look at the next question. Question 1.2.2. Identify the outlier of the monthly trips. So if you look at all of the data, what is an outlier? Firstly, an outlier is the data or the amount that is way off compared to the rest. So it's the one that stands out the most is the one that's the amount is either way too less than or way too more than the rest of the data there. So if you look at all the amounts there for taxi 1, you will see that all of them are running between 100 to like 121 or 130. So then the lowest amount that you can find there is 42. So we'd say the outlier there will be highlighted as 42. And then if you look at the amounts for taxi 2, we have amounts ranging from 74 up to 126, which they are not really spread apart as much. If we were to draw a ruler or like a number line and put dots to represent each by each number, you would see where the points are outlying. So I would say there the outlier would be number 42, or 42 monthly trips is the outlier. Then 1.2.3 says arrange in ascending order the number of monthly trips for taxi 1. So ascending order means from smallest to biggest. So you arrange them accordingly. Then it says determine the month in which the most trips were made by taxi 2. So you look there for the month, which would be it would be December. If you look at December there, December has 126 trips. So it is the most trips for taxi 2. Then it says the IQR. Okay, this is 1.2.5 says the IQR for taxi 1 is 13.5. Write down IQR in full. So IQR is the interquartile range. So you have to write down there in words, interquartile range. Okay, guys, that is it for today. That is question 1.2. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when we post the next segment of the paper. Thanks for watching again. Bye.